Hello guys, welcome to my new video. Today's video contains the new top 5 kitchen and home gadgets that will amaze you, so don't skip the video and watch till the end. So let's start the video.
The Euro cuisine. GY50 Greek yogurt maker is a versatile and efficient kitchen appliance that allows you to easily create delicious homemade yogurt. With dimensions of 10 into 10 into 5.25 inches and a light weight of 1.54 pounds, this yogurt maker is compact and easy to store when not in use. Manufactured by Euro Cuisine Inc., known for their high-quality kitchen products, the GY50 yogurt maker is designed for convenience and performance. The ASIN for this product is B0091XNL01 and the item model number is GY50, ensuring easy identification and compatibility. With an impressive customer review rating of 4.6 out of 5 stars based on 5,196 ratings, it's evident that this yogurt maker is well received by users. It is ranked #3 in yogurt makers and #14, 471 in kitchen and dining, reflecting its popularity among kitchen enthusiasts. This Euro Cuisine yogurt maker, originating from China, offers a simple and effective way to prepare fresh yogurt at home. Its user-friendly design.
As an experienced product marketing expert, I had the opportunity to review the Gas One 14-inch portable barbecue grill, which offers a compact and versatile grilling solution suitable for various occasions. This grill, manufactured by Gas One, is designed with user convenience and functionality in mind. Measuring 14.5 inches in diameter and standing at 15 inches tall, this portable barbecue grill is ideal for small outdoor spaces, picnics, camping trips, and tailgating events. The compact dimensions make it easy to transport and set up, ensuring that you can enjoy delicious grilled food wherever you go. One notable feature of the Gas One portable barbecue grill is its warming rack. This additional rack provides extra space to keep already grilled food warm while you continue cooking, ensuring that your entire meal is served hot and fresh. The warming rack is a practical addition that enhances the overall usability of the grill. The vibrant red color of the grill adds a touch.
The Chef Craft Select Slotted. Sturdy Skimmer is a sleek and practical kitchen tool that combines sturdy construction with efficient design. Crafted from high-quality stainless steel, this skimmer guarantees durability and longevity. The slotted design allows for easy draining and straining of foods, making it ideal for various cooking tasks. Measuring at 1 inch in length, 4 inches in width, and 13 inches in height, this skimmer provides a comfortable grip and ample reach for use in different cookware sizes. The stainless steel and black color combination gives it a modern and professional look that complements any kitchen decor. Whether you are frying, blanching, or skimming soups and stocks, the Chef Craft Select Slotted Sturdy Skimmer is a versatile tool that delivers excellent performance. Its sturdy construction ensures that it can withstand frequent use without compromising its functionality. Overall, the Chef Craft Select Slotted Sturdy Skimmer is a reliable and practical kitchen.
The Dash Mini Maker. Electric round griddle for individual pancakes is a compact and efficient kitchen appliance suitable for everyone who enjoys making pancakes. With a sleek white color and non-stick material, this griddle from the trusted brand Dash brings convenience and ease to your pancake making experience. Measuring at 5 inches in diameter, 6.4 inches in width, and 2.8 inches in height, this griddle is designed to be space-saving yet practical for individual pancake servings. Operated at 350 watts with a voltage of 120, this griddle is powerful enough to quickly heat up and cook your pancakes to perfection. Weighing only 1 pound, the Dash Mini Maker is lightweight and easy to handle. Its non-stick surface ensures that your pancakes cook evenly and are easy to flip and serve. The included manual provides guidance on how to use this electric griddle effectively. In conclusion, the Dash Mini Maker electric round griddle for individual pancakes is a reliable and user-friendly.
The OGI stainless steel spoon rest is a sleek and functional addition to any kitchen. Made from high-quality stainless steel, this spoon rest is both durable and stylish. The black color and solid pattern give it a modern look that will complement any kitchen decor. Its long handle design ensures that your kitchen utensils stay in place while cooking, keeping your countertops clean and organized. The product dimensions of 8.25 L into 4.5 W provide ample space for various utensils, making it versatile and practical for everyday use. The OGI brand is known for its quality kitchen products, and this spoon rest is no exception. It is easy to clean and maintain, adding convenience to your cooking routine. Whether you're a beginner cook or a seasoned chef, this spoon rest is a must-have accessory.
The Aroma Digital Rice Cooker. By Aroma Housewares is a reliable and efficient kitchen appliance suitable for households of all sizes. With a capacity of 2 quarts, this rice cooker offers a convenient solution for cooking perfectly fluffy rice with minimum effort. Measuring at 8.63 inches in diameter, 9.25 inches in width, and 8.5 inches in height, this compact cooker is designed to fit seamlessly into any kitchen without taking up much space. The corded electric power source ensures consistent cooking performance, allowing you to prepare delicious rice dishes with ease. Maintaining the aroma. Digital rice cooker is simple as it requires hand washing for cleaning, making it a low-maintenance addition to your kitchen appliances. Whether you are a seasoned cook or a beginner in the kitchen, this user-friendly rice cooker provides a hassle-free cooking experience that yields excellent results every time. In conclusion, the Aroma Digital Rice Cooker combines functionality and convenience.
The Vitamix Explorian Blender by Vitamix is a top-notch kitchen appliance that offers versatility and efficiency. With its sleek black color, this blender is a stylish addition to any kitchen. One of its key features is the adjustable speed control, allowing users to customize blending speeds based on their needs. Additionally, the blender is lightweight despite its heavy-duty performance, making it easy to handle and store. The 64 fluid ounces capacity of the Vitamix Explorian blender provides ample space for preparing large batches of smoothies, soups, sauces, and more. Its product dimensions of 11 inches diameter, 8 inches width, and 18 inches height ensure a compact design that fits well on countertops without taking up too much space. Whether you're blending ingredients for a morning smoothie or whipping up a creamy soup for dinner, this blender delivers exceptional results every time. Overall, the Vitamix Explorian blender stands out for its quality construction, reliable performance.
The Taylor 5932 Large Dial Kitchen Cooking Oven. Thermometer by Taylor is a reliable and accurate tool for monitoring the temperature in your kitchen with precision. This stainless steel thermometer is designed with a large display, making it easy to read the temperature at a glance. The fast reading system ensures that you get quick and accurate temperature readings, which is crucial for cooking and baking. One of the key features of this thermometer is its high accuracy, ensuring that your dishes are cooked to perfection every time. The analog display type gives a classic touch to the thermometer, adding to its professional design. Being NSF certified, you can trust the quality and safety of this product for kitchen use. This thermometer is suitable for adults of all cooking levels.
The Van Bao Rainbow Flatware Cutlery. Silverware set is a sleek and modern addition to any home. Crafted from durable stainless steel, this 20-piece set not only stands out with its vibrant mirror rainbow color, but also offers practical features that enhance usability and maintenance. With its polished finish and special features including durability, rust resistance, and dishwasher-safe properties, this set is designed to withstand everyday use while maintaining its elegant appearance. The inclusion of a stand not only adds to its visual appeal, but also helps with convenient storage and organization. Whether you are hosting a formal dinner party or enjoying a casual family meal, this flatware set caters to all occasions with style and functionality. Its versatility makes it a must-have for every household, combining aesthetic appeal with quality construction that ensures long-lasting performance. Overall, the Van Bao Rainbow Flatware Cutlery Silverware set strikes a balance between
the OXO Good Grips. Silicone shower and tub drain protector is a reliable solution for keeping your drains free of clogs and debris. Crafted with a combination of stainless steel and silicone materials, this drain protector offers durability and functionality in one elegant design. Measuring at 4.5 inches wide and 2 inches high, the OXO drain protector fits most standard shower and tub drains effortlessly. The gray color and stainless steel finish blend seamlessly with any bathroom decor, ensuring a sleek and polished look. The silicone rim of the drain protector keeps it securely in place while preventing hair, soap scum, and other particles from clogging your pipes. Its good grip design ensures that it stays put during use and is easy to clean when needed. Overall, the OXO Good Grip Silicone Shower and Tub Drain Protector is a practical and well-crafted product that adds both functionality and style to your bathroom. Whether you're looking to prevent clogs or simply upgrade,